What's going down, Video Fearless fam? Amani channel, the dude. What's going down, Video Fearless fam? Amani channel, the dude who helps you build video muscle. And in this confidence video tutorial, I'm going to share some awesome tips to help you get started if you want to start making videos with what? With your mobile device. And the first tip I'm going to share has to do with how you hold it. So, I see a lot of folks out there waving their phones around and holding it this way. All right, you don't want to do that. You want to hold your phone the same way you hold or you watch TV. And how is your TV shaped? Well, it's shaped horizontally at 16:9 is the aspect ratio. So you always want to hold your phone for the majority of the time. If you're doing like an Insta story or Snapchat, it's okay to hold it vertical. There are even some studies that show that vertical videos get better interaction. But if you really want that true video aspect ratio that most editors use and is the proper aspect ratio, which is 16:9, hold your phone horizontally. Now the next tip I'm going to share has to do with the camera, because I see this a lot. So there are two basic cameras on every mobile device. There's the rear facing camera, which is this right here, and I have an iPhone 6. Shh, don't tell anybody, but the rear facing camera has a little higher quality video. The video quality is a little bit better with the rear facing camera. But there's also the front facing camera. That is this camera right here. So you're now looking at it yourself, right? You're looking at the lens is reflecting back on you. But if you look right here on the front facing camera, there's a little pinhole lens. Now, I'm sure you've seen plenty of folks who make videos where they're sitting there talking their phones, and it looks like they're looking at you, but they're really looking at themselves, so they're really not maintaining eye contact with you. Because what happens is, as a person's making a video, they tend to focus on themselves because they're using the front facing camera. But you don't want to do that. You have to make a conscious decision to focus on that lens, because your audience is at the other side of the lens, and you want to maintain eye contact. You want to build that rapport. You want the person to feel like you're actually talking to them, like I'm talking to you right now, because I'm looking right here. I'm looking right at the lens of my webcam. So make sure you're looking at the lens of your camera, whether or not you're using the rear facing camera or the front facing camera, and you will be well on your way. Make sure you hold your camera correctly. And then if you want to get jazzy, you can use a microphone, you can use a tripod. I even have a little doodad here. I'm going to give you a little bonus tip. So get a little tripod adapter so you can hold your phone still while you're shooting and shoot those awesome images, and you'll be well on your way. Now, if these tips were helpful, I'd like to encourage you to sign up for my free masterclass where I'm going to share all these production tips and more. I'm going to get into webcam videos. I'm going to share some awesome tips to help you gain your confidence if you just don't feel like yourself, if you get nervous, anxious while you're making videos, if you're not speaking with authority, with confidence. This masterclass will definitely help you out, because I'm all about conquering your fear, discovering your confidence, to 5x your influence. That's the Video Fearless way. So sign up for the masterclass, and I'll see you there. All right, Amani channel, we'll talk to you soon. Peace.